Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be kitting up this diamond painting. I called it Colorful Succulent. It's from Qluoshop. It costs $12.99. It's a 40 by 50 poured glue adhesive with rhinestone drills that actually have DMCs, and there are 18 colors in all. So yeah, so I did scan the legend and put it on some labels, but I do like that although these are rhinestones, they did still use the DMC codes, so that when I decide to use the leftover rhinestones to embellish something, it'll be easier for me to figure out which ones to use. And I might end up using a lot of these ones with the DMCs on my current rhinestones and kind of maybe do a match, and we'll see. That's just too much. We'll see. So yeah, I am going to use the Harbor Freight containers. I've actually already taken, I think I've taken out there's like 21 in here. I've taken out 3 for other purposes. And then I just put like this foam roller here so that, it doesn't fall over as much. Well, it'll still probably fall over, but it'll fall over less, right? So I do have 21 containers in here. I do have 18 colors, so I'll probably still have 3 left over, but we'll see. It is only 18 colors, so there's a possibility that there's going to be some that are a lot, considering this is a 40 by 50. But I guess we'll see. So if you watched my unboxing, I did make note that instead of the, what's it called? You know how like on the color list here, it has this number in here, but it looks like it actually has this symbol on there instead, which I don't mind. So let's see. Will I be able to find this in the right order though? Where's number 1? Okay, here's number 1. And apparently I have just a random K, which probably looks like it just, oh yeah, so this is why it looks like K kind of got lost, and that's why I have a random other bag for K. Man, wait, did I do inventory on this when I got it? Let me see, Q, and yeah, we'll just assume I did. I don't remember if I did. But yeah, so let's get started on this. Oh yeah, and I don't know if I showed you, but here's the original image. I'm hoping this will turn out really good as rhinestones, and I'm hoping this company is actually pretty good. I'm hoping this company will be good for the rhinestones because I've actually been really getting into the rhinestone thing. So if this place ends up it looks nice now, but like you won't really know what it's going to look like until after the drills are put on. So that's why I actually think completion reviews are more important, I think, than unboxings, because or a lot of people call them post reviews or something, but it's important to see how it looks with the drills on, because it might look awesome on the canvas, but when it's done, it might look completely wrong or something. But I'm hoping to finish this soon. By the time you see this, I'm probably already almost finished, because that's how I tend to post my kitting ups. But I'm hoping to complete this soon in my time. And if I end up liking it, I'll buy more rhinestone kits from Qluo, because they actually had a good amount of rhinestone kits, and it was like in a separate category on their website, so it was easy to find. And they do actually have bigger, like this one is a 40 by 50, so I did like that. And 40 by 50 is like one of my favorite sizes, because it's not too small, but it's also not too big. So I think I might, if this ends up turning out nice, I might buy more from them. Especially since I did like that there's DMC codes on this. I don't know if they're all gonna have DMC codes, but the ones I got in this order had DMC codes with the rhinestones, so I did like that. Okay, so number 1. So the problem with scanning is sometimes like if the plastic is not straight, it kind of does that. But yeah, it's pretty obvious that's number one. So here's number one. It's a pretty purple. So yeah, I've been really getting into the rhinestones. They're just they're fun to diamond paint with. And, cause sometimes I kind of find the regular drills, while pretty, like these ones, like they look like glass. That's what I really like. So it might not be like the most detailed in the end, just because I don't think rhinestones is 2 and 3 the same color. They look very similar, but they're completely different DMCs. So they're probably very similar colors. But yeah, no, I've been really liking to do these rhinestone ones. At first, the first one I didn't really like it when it was finished, but then after I looked at it like a couple days later, I actually was like, you know what? I don't know why I didn't like this. It is actually very pretty. So I've kind of gone completely the other direction on my rhinestone things. I really do like them. And I wonder if they're also a little easier because they're probably not as... So like, if in normal like drills, they keep saying that there's 447 colors in all. While I doubt there's 400... Okay, these are both 4. I doubt that there is 447 colors of rhinestones. If there are, I don't know. Until they start selling a, what's it called? Buy all 447 colors of rhinestone thing, I'm going to assume that there are not 447 colors of rhinestone. The question is this second bag going to fit into here, or am I going to... I do have 3 extra boxes, so I can always put it into the extra box. But if it could fit into one, I don't want to put it in the extra box. Okay, I think it'll fit. But yeah, I don't think there are 447 colors of rhinestones, so my assumption is in any of these full rhinestone kits, they're going to be a tad bit easier, just because there probably just is not that many colors. And plus they're rounds. Like after doing like crazy confetti heavy squares, I think after... Like for a while, I actually did like sequentially a whole bunch of squares. And then like, I was like, okay, I need to go do some rounds, because I actually kind of do both of them. And I ended up having a little bit more rounds in my stash left than my squares. So I was like, okay, I need to go do more rounds. So after doing like the crazy confetti heavy squares, rounds just end up being so much simpler. But what's it called? So what was I saying? Oh yeah, so because there's probably not 447 colors of rhinestones, I'm gonna make the assumption that a lot of rhinestone kits are gonna be much easier than regular diamond paintings. But I don't mind, because the end product ends up looking... I'm hoping that this end product will look beautiful. But I'm also kind of trying not to choose anything too intricate, because I'm not sure how it will convey as a rhinestone diamond painting. I mean, I did order some that I'm not sure if it will turn out well. I actually think this one will turn out well, just because it's a more simplistic image. I've ordered some that are a little bit... I do have some that are a little bit more like, it probably would look better as a regular drill diamond painting. But I kind of wanted to get it because I wanted to see myself whether it would turn out or not. Because I've seen like pictures, but I also noticed like myself, like my rhinestone diamond paintings, like when I take pictures of it, they just don't look as good as they are in person. So as much as, what's it called, pictures could, I guess, convey how good something will turn out, it doesn't translate like in person how well it looks. I don't know if a video conveys how well rhinestones look as well either, but okay, so this one has a lot, 939. So I think this one will actually need another box. And I guess I should label it, right? So 939. I'm just making the assumption that it's going to be gonna need 2 boxes just because these are really full bags. So what was I talking about? I don't remember. Okay, so I think I was talking about like how I know that these might not turn out as well as other regular drill diamond paintings, but I'm hoping it'll turn out good enough and have a different sort of prettiness, because yeah, so far the ones that I've done, I think they've turned out really well. I'm actually almost done with my one from Radiant Round. Well, by the time this gets posted, I might have already posted the completion review, but I'm almost done with my Rhinestone diamond painting from Radiant Round, so that should be up soon-ish. I think I'm gonna move this down so I can put the 2 939s together. And so, what's it called? I don't know what it was talking. Yeah, I was saying that the pictures don't convey how pretty these look, and it's true. Like, I just, in person, like the rhinestones, I think look really pretty. So, if you haven't done one yourself, I suggest getting a small one. See if you like it. But you know, don't go like too intricate. Like, think of it like it's still a diamond painting, so don't go too intricate. And this Qluoshop actually had a bunch of more like the 25 by 35 size rhinestone kits. And I think they were like $6.99 or $4.99. I don't remember. Of course, for some reason, okay, I always go to these places thinking I need to buy some snack size diamond paintings, as in 30 by 40 and below. And then I end up going there and I see like these 40 by 50s, and I end up getting the 40 by 50s instead of the little snack sizes. So yeah, I have a problem now. Like, I'm running out of snack size diamond paintings because I just keep buying these 40 by 50s instead. So yeah, I don't know. I have that problem. I mean, I guess it's good because the 40 by 50s turn out well, but I also do like the snack size pictures because, you know, you get that satisfaction of the completion really quickly. But yeah, for some reason, buying me and like diamond painting me are completely different people. And buying me is like, ooh, look at that. That would look great as a 40 by 50. And I don't even like buy the little tiny ones. I just go directly to the 40 by 50s if I see that there's a good selection of cheaper 40 by 50s. Yeah. So yeah, buying me and diamond painting me, completely different people apparently. They need to kind of meet in the middle, and I need to go buy some more, what's it called, snack size pictures. Because I think the last couple pictures I've been doing have all been like 40 by 40 and above. So I need to put some snack sizes in there. And I think that might be why I say yes to like diamond painting companies that ask me if I want to do a product review, because most of the time they are just a smaller one. And for some reason, like I said, buying me doesn't seem to buy small diamond paintings anymore. It's always like 40 by 50 and above. I also don't buy gigantic diamond paintings either, so I guess I'm more of a medium-sized diamond painter now. I don't buy, but I like the small ones. I don't know why I don't buy them more often. Yeah. I guess I just don't, like, there's just so many listings for the small ones. I just don't have, sometimes I just don't feel like going through all of them and trying to figure out which ones will work. Oh yes, okay. There's actually a couple drills in here that are in there. Okay, it's the pink one. And there is a blue one. But yeah, I don't know what I was talking about anymore. Okay, diamond painting me and buying me are completely different people. And I keep seeming to like buy the 40 by 50s instead of like replenishing my snack size diamond paintings. But yeah, oh yeah, because it was mainly because, okay, so the 30 by 40s, or, you know, the like fake 30 by 40s, the 25 by 35s, you have to be better at figuring out which image will work, because you don't, it is smaller, so you don't get the detail in there. And I guess sometimes I'm just like, the things I like seem a little bit more complicated, so I end up getting the 40 by 50 because I hope that 40 by 50 is enough to get all the detail. Yeah, I need to do a little bit more like the snack size ones. I think I just need to figure, like buy things outside of the stuff I normally buy because I still have fun doing them. But yep, all right, that was quick. There was only 18 colors in this. I'm actually thinking this might be a quick diamond painting just because of the sheer tiny number of colors. I guess I'm not used to doing diamond paintings with this few colors. Like, I think I was doing like a whole bunch of those AliExpress like square diamond paintings where there was at least like 40 colors and so much confetti that now I'm like 18 colors. That's gonna be simple. This one's gonna be simple. So yeah, I'm thinking this will probably take me more of the, because normally round 40 by 50s take me 5 to 7 days. If it was a square 40 by 50, it usually takes more like 7 to 10 days. But round ones, this one will probably take me closer to the 5 days just because of the sheer little amount of colors. But yeah, there it is. All right. Thank you for watching and happy diamond painting. Bye.